Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. I have an amazing deal on this DeWALT circular saw at Farm & Fleet. Not only are they the lowest price around, but they also give you a free battery, and right now they have free shipping, so it doesn't get any better than this. I will have a link down below, but you're looking at the DeWALT 20 volt max lithium ion brushless circular saw kit. So it is a kit, comes with a charger, and you see a 5 amp hour battery. Now, with Farm & Fleet, when you add the item to your cart, you're also going to get a free 5 amp hour battery. So here we have it in our cart. You can see their discounted price is $239. The free battery automatically gets added to your cart, and we have free shipping. So $239 and a free battery. Let's look at some of the comparables. Toolnut has it for $279, no free battery. Tool Barn $279, no free battery. Home Depot $250, $198, no free battery. Lowe's $279, no free battery. CPO $279, no free battery. And Acme Tools $279, no free battery. And if we look at Farm & Fleet's website, the price of the battery alone is $119, and that is even a sale price for them. Now, if you're not interested in the circular saw, there's also a link on the page down below, for this offer page. It shows everything included. Now, the impact wrench is out of stock. That's the battery. We just talked about the circular saw. So your only other option currently is the reciprocating saw for $239 if you'd like to get the free 5 for that instead. So there it is, guys. That is one hell of a deal. Hopefully a couple of you guys can take advantage of it and find it useful. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber, and I'll see you guys next time.